Alligation is used when result of a mixing operation is given and the ratio has to be found. For example, this question. It is given that when this entity is mixed with this entity, the result is such an entity. We need to find the ratio in which these two entities were mixed to get the resultant entity. The way alligation works is you need to write the two qualities on top, the result in the middle, and then you can expect to get the two quantities at the bottom. Let's understand this by practically solving this question. See, the two qualities involved here are 30% and 80%. So we must plot 30 and 80 on the top. Next, the result is 50%. So we must plot 50 in the middle. Now take the difference between 30 and 50 and 80 and 50. Don't worry about the sign. What you will get at the bottom would be the required quantities. You see 30 and 50 without worrying about the sign, the difference is 20. Similarly, 80 and 50 without worrying about the sign, the difference is 30. Now this value here represents the quantity of the entity above it, and this value here represents the quantity of the entity above it. That means 30% alcohol and 80% alcohol must be mixed in the ratio 30:20 respectively. Therefore, the required answer is 30:20 or 3:2. Please pause the video and solve this one. The two qualities involved are the $2 quality and the $10 quality. So 2 and 10 come on top. The result is the $7 quality. So 7 comes in the middle. Take all the difference now. 2 and 7, the difference is 5. 10 and 7, the difference is 3. So the required ratio is 3:5. This question has a twist. Please pause the video and solve this. The twist here is that the quality is given in form of ratio. The quality must be in percentage or proportion. So if the boy-girl ratio is 1:2, boys out of total must be taken. So 1 out of 3 parts is what boys are. Therefore, the two qualities involved here are 1 out of 3 parts and in the second case, 3 out of 4 parts. The result is 1 out of 2 parts. Now we take the difference, we get 1/4 here, and here we get 1/6. That's the ratio. To avoid fractions, multiply both sides by 12, and the answer that we get is 3:2. The first data is for section A and the second data is for section B. Therefore, the ratio of total number of students in section A to that in section B is 3:2. That's the correct answer. Please note, alligation is not a new concept as such. It is a shortcut for weighted average. It saves time. However, if alligation does not come intuitively to you and the weighted average way seems to work better for you, then please don't worry about alligation and continue to use weighted average for solving such questions. That's totally all right.